Hey, so I thought we'd read another story today from the animal stories book. Shall we see what one we've got, what story we've got today? We've read quite a few now. Ooh, okay. This one is a story called Quarrrk. That sounds like a funny noise, doesn't it? You see, there's lots of different animals hanging in the jungle. And we've got a parrot, we've got a snake, we've got a monkey, we've got a tiger, a monkey again. Shall we see what happens in this story? Yeah. I wonder who's making a sound going quack, quack. Here we go. It was midnight in the jungle. Midnight, very late at night, isn't it, when you're supposed to be asleep? So, like you, all the animals were asleep. Monkey was snug in his nest of leaves. That sounds comfy, doesn't it? In a nest of leaves. Parrot was perched on his sleeping branch. Can you imagine? How can a bird sleep on a branch standing up? That must be quite hard, but I think birds have a way of perching without falling. They grip onto the branch, and amazingly, even bats manage to sleep upside down. That's amazing, isn't it? So, here we are. A snake was curled round the trunk of a tree. You can see, here we've got snake curled round the branch of the tree. We've got parrot perched on the tree, standing up, and we've got monkey over here in his nest of leaves. Now, suddenly, there's a noise that goes, quack, quack. Everyone jumped up at the awful sound. Tiger growled, who woke me up? And stood in front of his cubs. Here's Tiger down here with his baby cubs, protecting them, making sure they're safe from this weird sound. The lizard scampered out of sight. Snake hissed warningly, don't come near me, I've been sleeping fast asleep. Parrot flew up in the air, scattering feathers. A monkey chattered with fright. What was that? Everything was quiet. The animals listened. Can you hear something? Another quack. Can you hear something? They couldn't hear anything other than the usual rustling jungle sound. As the trees blow side to side, as the river goes. No more than the usual jungle sound. One by one, they drifted off to sleep. Again. Until... Quack! Quack! This time, Tiger was angry. Who's making that noise? Said Tiger. But still, nothing stirred in the jungle. Once again, the animals settled down to sleep. When the horrible noise happened for the third time, 1, 2, 3, first, second, third time, Tiger decided to act. One of us must stay awake, he snarled, to see who is disturbing our sleep. If this is some kind of joke, monkey, it's not a very good one. It's Not me, chattered Monkey. I'll stay awake and listen. You'll see. So the other animals went back to sleep, and Monkey rubbed his eyes as if trying to stay awake, to keep awake. Monkey must have been sleepy. Keep awake. Quarrrk! Thud goes the noise. Monkey fell off his branch and landed on Tiger. Oh dear, he woke up Tiger. It was right in my ear, gasped Monkey. Which ear? Asked Tiger. This ear, squeaked Monkey. It was scary. Tiger stared up at the branches above. The squawking animal nearest your right ear, Monkey, was Quarrrk, growled Tiger. I didn't do it, squawked Quarrrk. I'm afraid you did, old friend, said Tiger kindly. You've been sleep-talking, and I've got the answer. He tied a vine around Quarrrk's beak in a neat bow. I'll take it off in the morning, he said. Sweet dreams, everyone. And that's exactly what they had. So here you can see Tiger tied a bow around Quarrrk's beak to stop him sleep talking. Brilliant. Yeah, fantastic, isn't it? I sleep talk too. Do you sleep talk? Or does Aisha sleep talk? Or Mummy? I know Mummy snores sometimes. Does Aisha snore too? Maybe you snore too, Becky. Love you. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.